Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I have another app, where you can listen to your favorite song and earn money. Listen to your favorite radio station and earn money. So this is my dashboard, So I've been using this app I think I downloaded this app like last week, So this is my dashboard, how it look like and stuff. So basically here you're gonna earn like point and stuff, and then after you have accumulated the threshold, and then you can request it through your PayPal, but you need to have like a PayPal in order for you to get your money, because here you need to have like a PayPal in order for you to get paid and stuff. So this is my point here. So I think I haven't reached the threshold here. So this is my point here and stuff. So basically you can listen to any of your favorite song here, like any guys, like any. So let's see, I can kind of play. Let's see this alternative deep house and stuff. So there's a lot, guys. So okay, so this is 947, the radio I'm listening to, So yeah, guys, this is an app, So I'll leave a link on the description, so make sure you check it out. And yeah, and I will leave a link for PayPal. Like if you don't have like PayPal, and then I'll leave a link on the description to kind of like register and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna post this radio station and stuff. So you can earn by like inviting, a friend, like invite 10 friends and up to $25 in points per friend, plus 2% of their global earning for life. So you can earn by referring your friends stuff here. So if you wanna redeem, your earnings and stuff. So right about now my gold progress 4%. Yes. So yeah, if you have accumulated like 2,150 point, you can click here, and then yeah, just set as a goal and stuff. Okay, we're just clicking okay. So yeah, guys, if we reach this threshold, and then you're gonna click here and redeem your money. And then if you wanna redeem through gift cards, there's gift cards, there's products. If you wanna buy this airport, you need to accumulate like 24,150 points. So yeah, like this watch. So this is it, guys. So I'll leave a link on the description, so make sure you check this app out. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. So make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video, and click the like button. So yeah, guys, I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.